Pocket Welder Helper here. Let's run 10 API 1104 questions and see where you stand before your certification. Question 1. Under API 1104, which defect is categorized as a linear indication for RT evaluation purposes? Is it A, porosity clusters, B, incomplete fusion and slag inclusions longer than they are wide, C, burn through, or D, root concavity? Question 2. Under API 1104, how many test coupons must be welded and tested for welder qualification? Is it A, 1 full circumference butt weld, B, 2 half-pipe sections, C, 3 separate test pipes, or D, as specified by the welding engineer? Question 3. Under API 1104, inadequate penetration in the weld root area without high-low misalignment is acceptable only if A, it occurs in less than 25% of the weld circumference, B, individual length is 1 inch or less, and aggregate doesn't exceed 1 inch in any 12 inches of weld, C, it's not visible on the radiograph, or D, it's rejected. Zero tolerance? Question 4. DSAW pipe is identified because A, it has no visible seam weld, B, it has one straight longitudinal seam weld made with saw on both the inside and outside, C, it has 2 spiral seam welds, or D, it's made by centrifugal casting. Question 5. A density step hole image quality indicator is used in pipeline RT to A, identify the pipe grade, B, verify the radiographic technique has sufficient sensitivity to detect relevant defects, C, mark the beginning and end of each exposure, or D, confirm the correct film type is being used. Question 6. In API 1104 radiographic examination, a geometric unsharpness limit is specified to A, control the darkening rate of the film, B, limit the blurring of defect images caused by source geometry and source to object and object to film distances, C, control exposure time, or D, limit the number of exposures per cylinder of isotope? Question 7. Under API 1104, a welder who qualifies on 12-inch diameter pipe is qualified to weld what diameter? Is it A, only 12-inch, B, 6-inch and larger, C, 2 7/8 inch and larger, or D, all diameters? Question 8. Under API 1104, what is the maximum allowable root surface concavity, or suckback, in a pipeline weld root? Is it A, 0 tolerance, B, 1/32 of an inch, C, the bead must not reduce total joint thickness below the minimum base metal wall thickness, or D, 1/16 of an inch? Question 9. Before any production weld is made under a new WPS, API 1104 requires A, only a visual inspection of the joint fit-up, B. A full procedure qualification test with destructive testing. C. Only welder retesting if more than 6 months has elapsed. Or D. Approval from the pipeline owner only. Question 10. Under API. 1104. How long can a pipeline welder go without welding before requalification is required? Is it A, 3 months, B, 6 months, C, 1 year, or D, only if a defective weld is found? Download Pocket Welder Helper free on iOS and Android for more API 1104 practice questions, code references, and welding resources you can pull up anywhere on the job.